You are the creator of your entire life. Everything that you see, hear, do, and say stems from your subconscious mind. You no longer have to be a victim to your circumstances. Instead, you get to create the life that you desire with the law of attraction. You can choose to continue to live unconsciously, or you can consciously manifest anything you desire. Actor Morgan Freeman says that this is the truth of the universe. Whatever we decide to do is what we do. It is often said that we only use a small fraction of our brain's full capacity. Imagine the possibilities if we were able to access even a mere 20% of our brain's full potential. What kind of thoughts could we generate? What kind of realities could we manifest? It all starts within our imagination. The first step in achieving anything we desire is to imagine it. Whether it's the kind of person we want to become, a new opportunity we want to manifest, or any other powerful change we want to bring about into our lives, we must first be able to visualize it in our minds. Our imagination is capable of bringing about anything we desire, but only to the extent that we focus our attention on it. Dr. Wayne Dyer says that if you can change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. As Einstein famously said, imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world. While logic can get us from point A to point B, imagination has the power to take us anywhere. It is through our imagination that we can access new levels of creativity and inspiration and bring about our dreams to life. To turn our dreams into reality, we must assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. We are what we feel ourselves to be, and the universe responds accordingly. If we can feel as though we are already in possession of our deepest desires, we will begin to manifest those desires into our lives. This means living in the feeling of being the person we want to be and persisting in that feeling until it becomes our dominant state. If we can maintain this state of being, our dreams must inevitably become reality. The attainment of our ideal is absolutely inevitable when we persist in the feeling of our wish fulfilled. So let's tap into our imagination, focus our attention on our desires, and assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. With these tools, we can bring about any reality that we desire. Now, we must be intentional about the kind of attention we place on our desires and be willing to disregard external opinions and limitations. As Henry David Thoreau once said, if you advance confidently in the direction of your own dreams and endeavor to live the life which you have imagined, you will meet with a success unexpected in common hours. To achieve this kind of success, we must train our subconscious mind to align with our conscious desires. Our subconscious mind controls the vast majority of our thoughts and actions, and it responds to the suggestions we give it. By programming our subconscious mind with positive thoughts and feelings, we can create the reality we want to experience. This is the secret known by seers, prophets, and mystics throughout the ages, that we are the creators of our own reality. It's a mystery that can't be fully understood intellectually, but it's a truth that can be experienced through focused attention and intentional imagination. So let us imagine our dreams as if they have already come true, and let us feel the emotions of joy, gratitude, and fulfillment that come with their attainment. When we persist in these feelings, our dreams will become our reality. Our beliefs have the power to shape our lives, not just on the surface level, but also on a deeper subconscious level. It's the shadow beliefs that we hold that can hold us back from achieving our true potential. These beliefs can be so deeply ingrained in our minds that we are not even aware of them. They run like a tape in our minds, telling us that we are not good enough, not worthy enough, not smart enough, and not enough in general. And when we act from this belief system, we limit ourselves and miss out on opportunities that are available to us. The words we speak have the power to shape our reality. They are like seeds that we plant, and if we continue to water them, they will eventually grow and become our reality. We must be mindful of the words we use when speaking about ourselves and our lives. If we speak positively and affirmatively, we are planting seeds of positivity and success. If we speak negatively and self-deprecatingly, we are planting seeds of self-doubt and failure. Now, we must also remember that we are the creators of our own lives. We are responsible for the fruits we bear, both good and bad. It is up to us to plant the right seeds, to nurture them, and to eventually reap the rewards of our labor. If we want to live the life we truly deserve, we must first examine our own beliefs, both on the surface and in the shadows. Only then can we begin to plant the right seeds and create the reality we desire. Now, the words we speak are like seeds that we plant in the garden of our minds. Just like how you can't plant an apple seed and expect oranges to grow, you can't speak negatively and expect positive outcomes in your life. Every thought and word we have is planting a seed that will eventually produce fruit in our lives. So it's important to be mindful of the seeds we are planting. If we want to see success, we need to speak words of success. If we want to see abundance, we need to speak words of abundance. If we want to see victory, we need to speak words of victory, and not just once, but consistently. When we speak words of victory and success, we are proclaiming our future. We are speaking into existence the things that we want to see happen in our lives. This is not just positive thinking. It's speaking with purpose and conviction. It's speaking as if we already have achieved our goals. Now, on the other hand, if we constantly speak negative words, we are proclaiming defeat and lack. We are planting seeds that will eventually grow into a life of scarcity and struggle. So let's be mindful of the words we speak and the seeds we plant. Let's speak words of victory, success, and abundance. Let's proclaim the life we want to live and watch as our lives move in the direction of our words. Now, the desire for something is often accompanied by a feeling of lack, and this can prevent us from achieving what we truly want in life. Jim Carrey's story is a testament to the power of believing in what you want and acting as though you already have it. He would visualize himself driving up Mulholland Drive, feeling as though he already had everything he wanted. This positive mindset allowed him to attract his desires and bring them into reality. To achieve what we desire, we must first believe that it is possible and act as though it is already within our reach. That means making choices and taking actions that are in alignment with our beliefs. If we believe that we are capable of manifesting our goals, we will make decisions that reflect this belief and ultimately move us closer to our desired outcomes. Now, it is important to reflect on the choices we have made in our lives and understand that they are a reflection of what we believe to be true for ourselves. By changing our beliefs and aligning our actions with our desires, we can create a life that is in line with our own true potential. Now, let us learn from Jim Carrey's example and begin to act as though we already have something that we desire, so that we may attract more of it into our lives. Now, the time has come for individuals and everyone else around us to believe in themselves and express their greatness. In today's world, people often shy away from being great, shining their own unique way and standing out. But it is time to embrace your greatness, to be the best version of yourself. You have the power to create and manifest your own destiny. But negative words and thoughts can hold you back. Do not let them discourage you from becoming who you were meant to be. To achieve and manifest your goals, write them down and declare them with confidence, as if they have already been accomplished. Repeat them out loud daily, and you will start to believe that they are already your reality. It is not enough to merely think positively, as spoken words hold a special power that can change your outlook and ultimately change who you are. You must speak words of affirmation and proclaim your own future. Your words will create the reality you desire and propel you towards achieving your dreams. The time is now to embrace your greatness and speak it into existence. Now, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Check out the next video on your screen for more tips on how to manifest the life you desire.